Hey everyone, welcome to H. Cooper Crafty Bug. I am Hyla and I have a quick unboxing for you. It's a Black Friday Cricut unboxing. So I bought a mystery box from them. I've never bought that before, not that I remember anyway. I'm sorry, I don't remember what I paid for it. But I did also buy 3 rolls of HTV vinyl that were on sale for like $4.47. So, and they shipped those separately from the mystery box. So I've already opened everything. Let me show you what I got. So these are the 3 rolls of HTV that I bought for $4.47 each. As you can see, I got a purple. I can always use purple. This pink and a gold, so it's like a metallic gold, and I think they're all 12 by 24. Yes, so definitely use those. It came in a box about that size. And then my mystery box had 5 rolls of vinyl. So I got a Sport Flex iron-on, which I didn't even know they made this, in yellow. It's a pretty yellow too. I got a metallic iron-on mosaic, so it's gold and white mosaic, which I thought was unique. And then 2 of the premium vinyl. This one's holographic, this one's silver metallic, which I have this in the smart vinyl. Hey, Kit Kat. Kit Kat wanted to say hi. It's been a while since we did a live and I got to say hi, so. Your face is muddy. Were you digging in the mud? Okay, so I got this holographic. And, let's see. Huckleberry. Something. I can't read it. 12 by 48. Like I said, this is the silver metallic. I'm very familiar with this. 12 by 48. The Sport Flex iron-on, 11.8 by 24, and this one is 12 by 24. And the 5th roll came in this size box. It came in this box. This is a removable vinyl in blue, and isn't that a pretty blue? And I think that will work on homecoming mums. I usually use permanent vinyl, but I have used removable vinyl before and I had an issue with it. But that will be fun to see if that works great on mums. If not, I can use it for other things. They sent me a cutie. Isn't that cute? So I'm going to sit that somewhere. And here's my other cutie right here. Here's my other cutie. I thought that was funny. Just set that somewhere. I think he's cute. It'll make you smile. And what does it say? It just says Cricut Cutie. One figurine, 3 inches tall. It's a choking hazard, so be careful with your children. Neon green. I thought he was cute. I'll find somewhere to sit him where you can see him. Then I got a pin set. These are gel pins. So I've been collecting quite a few Cricut pins. I really want to start making some cards and stuff, so hopefully in the off season I can kind of do some of that. I always have big plans in the off season, but I don't follow through on half of it. And then a mat, a light grip mat. So you know I can use this, definitely. Definitely use mats. So that, a pin set, a cutie. Oh, and this roll is 12 by 15 feet. So it's a really large roll. And I don't think I have this blue. I was excited to get that blue. These 4 rolls. And I want to say it was around $60. It had to have been less than that. I think my total bill was $60 or $65. Like I said, those were $4.47, so whatever that was. I'll have to look and see. I don't remember offhand how much the total was, but it was somewhere around $60. So I think I got my money's worth, and I thought that was just fun to get a mystery box and not know what you're going to get. So I don't do stuff like that very often, but I thought it was a fun thing to do for Black Friday. Get myself some stuff. Here's where I've moved a lot of my rolls of vinyl. And I did mess up though. I wanted this on the outside. This is mostly Cricut vinyls, and this is like a lot of the Dollar Tree and other vinyls. And I meant to put this on the outside, especially since they're thicker. And I didn't realize till I got it up. And I have it all zip tied, and it was very hard to get. I had to loosen the shelf and do the zip ties under the shelf. So it was a really big pain to get it up there and trying to hold it, because I already had them on there, which was stupid. I should have, I mean, it would have been difficult to get them all on there after hanging it up, but it was so heavy. So now I'm like, I don't want to redo it. But it's going to be difficult to get those off there, because a lot of these, a lot of them have this still on it, and that is on that side. So when I go to pull them off, it's going to catch. So yeah, I'll probably redo it, but I'll wait till I have some help. I can get someone wrangled in here to help me hold it and stuff. It would be a lot better. But yeah, that was all in a tin bucket that I used to have on top of one of these. Remember, I had that aluminum bucket, and it had rolls of vinyl. It all barely fit on this thing, which is very long. Oh, you can't see how long it is. It goes about this far from the floor. I think it holds 48 rolls. I could not believe that I had that much in that bucket. So that bucket was much bigger than I thought it was. But I can see what I have better. In that bucket, it was just too hard to see what I had, and I would forget. I moved my big rolls up there. Underneath that is infusible, is it infusible ink or something like that? I have not played with that. Yeah. So I've not played with any of those. I've got 4 rolls of it. This bucket is HTV vinyl is in there. So all my HTV is in there, which, I know I can't see it as well, but, I only use HTV for specific things, so I can just get the bucket down and look in there and see what I've got, if I've got the colors I want. And like I said, I got a few more rolls to throw up there, and it has room in it. So those are my giant rolls. Those were the first rolls that I started with however many years ago when I first got my scan and cut. So that's been like 7-8 years. That's what's left of that vinyl. And the very big roll of silver that's sticking out, that is HTV as well. It's HTV glitter. And I still have some of that. It was a huge roll. So I've got that. And then I have smart vinyl on the shelf down here. And below it, you can't see that, is a basket right there. That is a basket of for my Cricut Joy. It's like the Cricut Joy Smart Rolls. So everything's kind of separate, so I can keep track of what's smart vinyl. Those big rolls just have to be somewhere separate because they're so ginormous. And HTV, and then the infusible ink, and then like the regular Cricut vinyl and Dollar Tree. Okay, now it looks like I'm pointing at I'm actually pointing at my living room, but it looks like I'm actually pointing at the vinyl. So I've got everything separated. So this is something that I've been working on. I did get my silhouette up there, my Cameo 4. I got that up there, but I've not turned it on or done anything with it. Just got it up there. I got my Cricut Maker 3 up there. So now people can actually kind of see it when I'm doing lives and such. I'm excited about that. I've got some signs. So I did redo this whole shelf. And I would love for this to be more of my backdrop because I think it looks nicer. And I've got all my signs and stuff. I got my Be Kind right there that Connie got me. There's my sublimated sign with my logo, my older logo. Happiness is homemade that I got, I think, at Hobby Lobby. Bacon is my love language right there. I got that at Hobby Lobby too. And that tin is Christmas, but I don't care. I'll leave it up all year long. I don't care. So I kind of redid some stuff over here. Worked on this stuff. Worked on those. That's what I've been working on, getting my room back together. But this was something I got today. Not today, the other day from Black Friday. purchased a few things from Black Friday, but only got about 3 things so far. So, and one of them I showed on my Vlogmas on my vlogging channel, and that was like my Zoo order, which like my supplements and collagen powders and stuff. So you guys probably don't care as much for that. If you do, go watch my Vlogmas. I also got a box from Chewy, but I don't have my tree up or anything yet, and so I don't want to open that yet until I can wrap them. And Kit Kat's sniffing it right now like she knows there's something good for her in there. I think I have a couple more things coming from Black Friday, and that will be it. I think that was the only crafting thing I got, or anything for my crafting room was that. I've already forgotten what I got. No, I remember I got some gifts from TVP, and what else? Oh, I got some Chalk Zero, so that'll be another Vlogmas thing that I show, the Chalk Zero. And I think that was it. Yeah. So I didn't do too much shopping at Black Friday. Just some of the really good deals from companies that I buy for anyway. And Chewy had a lot of sales, so I knew I wanted to get the dogs some new balls and stuff. So, because they have to have presents too, right? But like I said, I haven't got my Christmas tree up yet. It's the 2nd. Just haven't felt good. A lot of sinus and allergy, if you care. But I know y'all do. And I know, yeah, we've got a lot of stuff coming up. Christmas coming up. Everybody's busy. We've got birthdays. I know there's a lot of people with birthdays in December and January. It's crazy. And then, you know, in the spring, we've got our fun thing scheduled for those of us that are in the Facebook group and members. Have something coming up in the spring, so that's going to be awesome for about 50 people. And yeah, but I've got a lot of ideas on things I want to do in the off season, but I just don't know what I'll get done, if I'll get anything done. I'm hoping to, and then I still have a lot of videos from homecoming that I've still got to edit and upload. So I promise I will get working on those and do those as soon as I can. It's a lot of editing. And plus, it's been so long since I made those moms, it's like I can't remember what I was doing while working on those. It's hard to remember what exactly I was doing. So when I'm doing voiceovers, like sometimes I don't know what to say because I don't remember exactly what I was doing or the measurements or whatever. So I do the best I can, but it does take some time. But I will get to working on those and get those uploaded. And I was hoping to do some Christmas stuff, but it's probably just going to go by too fast and I won't have time to do anything. I threw together a wreath for my front door and didn't video it, but all I did was, it was one of those greenery wreaths, you know, with the bendable, like, kind of like garland, but it's the wreath and it's got the limbs like what's on your artificial Christmas tree. It's just one of those that kind of looks like a real wreath, and I put some giant bells on it and some battery operated lights and a bow that I already had made. I opened up one of my boxes and I had some pre-made bows in there, so I just threw a bow on it, threw those bells and some battery operated lights, and I called it good. It looks festive, and you open the door, it jingles, and then it's got lights at night, so it works for me. I probably have some wreaths up in the attic and with my Christmas stuff, but I don't know when I'm going to get it all down. I don't feel good. My son's been working a lot. My husband's out of town. So it's just, yeah, it is what it is. I'll get it done at some point. All right, guys, I went on too long. I hope you enjoyed this boxing. Thanks for watching. I'm going to try to, you know, do good with my uploading and try to get some lives in this month. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So like, share, subscribe, comment. Please be kind with those comments. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. Be kind to your puppies. Give your puppies love if you have them. If not, go give some other dog love. Love, affection. All right. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Kind to yourself, be kind to others, and happy mom making, happy crafting. Merry Christmas.